Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sangria with vodka. Start by gathering your key ingredients for a delightful vodka sangria. You'll need 1 standard bottle of your favorite red or white wine, about 1 cup of vodka, and a colorful assortment of fresh fruits. Think sliced oranges, lemons, apples, and a handful of berries. Don't forget a sweetener like simple syrup or orange juice to balance the flavors perfectly. A large pitcher is essential for combining everything. Now, let's prepare the fruit base for your sangria. Thoroughly wash and slice all your chosen fruits into small, bite-sized pieces. Once prepared, place them into your large pitcher. Add approximately 1/2 cup of vodka directly over the fruit. This crucial step, called maceration, allows the fruit to soak up the vodka for at least 30 minutes, intensifying the flavors beautifully. It's time to bring all the elements together for your delicious sangria. Carefully pour the entire bottle of wine into the pitcher, joining the vodka-infused fruit. Next, add another 1/2 cup of vodka to the mixture for that extra spirited touch. Stir in about 1/4 cup of simple syrup or orange juice, tasting as you go to achieve your desired sweetness. Gently mix everything until well combined. The final steps involve chilling and serving your magnificent sangria. For the best flavor, refrigerate the mixture for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours. This crucial chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld and deepen. When ready, serve your sangria over ice in individual glasses. For a beautiful touch, garnish each glass with a fresh fruit slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy your homemade vodka sangria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.